From pastel lagoons to dramatic cliffs, no filter needed. Welcome to AdvenTourTravel. Here are the top 15 islands and coastlines with unreal water, a mix of luxe retreats and wild frontiers. Expect simple tips, can't-miss views, and drone-worthy scenery. Always follow local rules. Let's dive in. Number 15. Li River, China. A ribbon of jade water winds between forested limestone towers, creating mirror-calm reflections that look like a classic painting brought to life. Morning mist wraps the peaks. Afternoons turn the river glassy for wide, dreamy shots. Traditional fishing and small wooden boats add timeless details, while gentle bends reveal new angles every few minutes. Karst cliffs rise straight from the banks, shaped by rain and time into spires and domes. The current is usually calm, making sightseeing easy. Best months: April to June and September to October for stable weather and lush green hills. Number 14. Split and Hvar, Croatia. This duo pairs a historic Adriatic port with a sun-kissed island, known for pine-scented coves and clear, swimmable bays. Pebble beaches make the water appear extra transparent, and rocky headlands shelter calm, emerald shallows. Summer seas are typically mellow for boat trips and snorkeling, while sunsets set the coastline glowing copper and gold. Stone lanes, terraced hillsides, and bright water create a classic Mediterranean look without long travel times between scenes. Best months: May, June, and September, for warm water, fewer crowds, and smooth crossings. Number 13. Dubrovnik, Croatia. Ancient walls meet sapphire water along a dramatic coastline where pale stone contrasts with bright sea. Clear, calm shallows hug the shore, while sea caves and gentle swells add texture to the horizon. Walking the ramparts gives non-stop ocean panoramas. Paddling near the cliffs reveals hidden rock shelves and quiet coves. Visibility is excellent in settled weather, and the color of the sea shifts from deep blue to turquoise through the day. Best months: May, June, and September, October, for pleasant temperatures and reliable boating conditions. Number 12. Amalfi Coast, Italy. Terraced villages cling to vertical cliffs above neon blue water, creating one of the world's most photogenic shorelines. Coastal boats slide into grottos and pocket beaches, while balcony-style paths deliver endless sea views from above. Calm days turn tiny inlets electric blue. Hazy evenings bathe the coast in gold. Sheer limestone headlands, citrus groves, and stepped lanes make every turn a postcard. Travel is simple by water or road, and short walks quickly reach panoramic lookouts. Best months: May, June, and September, October, for mellow seas and soft light. Number 11. Geirangerfjord, Norway. A glacier-carved corridor of emerald water runs between 1,000-meter cliffs, with countless waterfalls threading down the rock. Quiet ferries glide over mirror surfaces in the morning. Later, shifting light casts silver highlights across the fjord. The scale is immense, yet peaceful. Forests cling to ledges, clouds drift low, and reflections double the drama on windless days. Trails and viewpoints sit high above, bends in the water for sweeping, layered photos. Best months: June to September for open trails, frequent boats, and long daylight. Number 10. Faroe Islands. Raw North Atlantic scenery meets jade coves and towering sea cliffs. On calm days, the water turns glassy. In wind, It glows deep teal against dark volcanic rock. Sea stacks and arching headlands shape wild silhouettes, while green slopes plunge straight to the shore. Weather changes fast. Moody one minute, glowing the next. So every hour brings new looks for camera and eye. The combination of cliffs, waterfalls, and ocean color feels otherworldly and untouched. Best months: June to August for green hills, birds on the cliffs, and workable conditions. Number 9. Ha Long Bay, Vietnam. Hundreds of limestone islands rise from tranquil jade water to form a natural sculpture garden. The surface is usually gentle, perfect for slow cruising and easy sightseeing. Arches, grottos, and sheltered inlets create pockets of stillness, where reflections appear like brushstrokes. Morning mist wraps the karsts in soft gray. Clearer afternoons turn the bay luminous green. The geology, shaped by rain and waves over ages, makes every angle feel cinematic. Best months: October-November and March-May for steady weather and pleasant temperatures. Number 8. Jericoacoara, Brazil. White dunes meet a bright, warm sea with seasonal lagoons forming over powdery sand to create natural pools. The coastline stretches for miles with shallow turquoise water and gentle swells inside protected areas. Consistent winds sculpt wave-like patterns across the dunes, while sunsets paint the beach in copper and pink. It's a rare mix of desert, lagoons, and ocean in one compact region, designed for simple, barefoot exploring and wide-angle views. Best months: July to December for sunny skies and full lagoons. Number 7. Railay West Beach, Thailand. Reached only by boat, this pocket of white sand sits between sheer limestone cliffs and calm, green-blue water. The bay often feels like a natural pool, with easy swimming and gentle paddling right from shore. At low tide, sandbars appear like golden paths. At high tide, reflections turn silky and smooth. Karst towers frame perfect sunset compositions, and mornings are typically glassy for photos before day traffic builds. Best months: November to April for dry conditions and calmer seas. Number 6. Fernando de Noronha, Brazil. A protected Atlantic archipelago famous for clarity that can exceed many reef destinations. Marine life is abundant. Turtles, rays, and colorful fish cruise over bright sand and lava-formed shelves. Strict visitor limits help keep the water pristine, and cliffside lookouts reveal gradients of blue-green that look unreal even without filters. Calm bays offer easy entry for beginners. Offshore areas reward more confident swimmers with brilliant visibility. Best months: August to October, for peak clarity and gentle conditions. Number 5. Palawan, Philippines. Limestone cathedrals rise from electric blue channels, creating lagoons and coves, where the water often looks lit from within. Sheltered bays keep surfaces calm for paddling and floating, while steep rock walls glow gold in late light. The variety is huge in a small area: hidden pools, bright shallows, and clear passages between cliffs, so every short ride reveals a new color palette. Coral gardens thrive in warm water, and mornings tend to be the crispest for visibility. Best months: November to May for dry weather and smooth crossings. Number 4. Anse Source d'Argent, Seychelles. Pink-tinged granite boulders cradle ribbons of super-shallow glass-calm water over powder sand. Offshore protection keeps waves low, so the lagoon feels like a natural swimming pool most days. Knee-deep channels twist between rounded stones, with pastel light at dawn and peach tones near sunset. The scene is famous for good reason: soft colors, gentle water, and sculptural rock that looks designed for the camera. Best months: April to May and October to November for light winds and clear water. Number 3. Whitehaven Beach, Australia. 7 kilometers of brilliant white silica curve around a turquoise inlet where tides swirl sand into marble patterns. The sand stays cool underfoot, even in full sun, and the water shifts from mint to deep teal as the day moves. A short climb to a low lookout reveals painterly shapes that change hour by hour. The beach's width and gentle slope make wading easy, and the view's huge, even at water level. Best months: May to October, for dry air and steady visibility. Number 2. Maldives. Dozens of coral atolls form lagoons so blue they look backlit from below. Many islands sit on shallow sandbanks where the sea is calm and clear, then drop to coral walls alive with turtles and rays. Sunrises are glassy, evenings turn the water violet, and tiny sandbars appear and vanish with the tide. Seaplane rides double as aerial tours over reef mosaics and turquoise rings. Best months: January to April, varies by atoll, for the driest skies and clearest water. Number 1. Bora, French Polynesia. A volcanic crown rises from a lagoon that fades from pale mint to cobalt, encircled by coral that keeps the water calm and crystal clear. Sandbars sit like chalk strokes across the lagoon. Shallows host gentle rays and bright reef fish. The depth, clarity, and color made this the birthplace of the classic overwater stay. Dawn brings glass-smooth reflections. Late afternoon turns the whole lagoon luminous. Best months: May to October for stable weather and reliable visibility. Which unreal water calls you first? Neon lagoons, silver fjords, or cliff-framed coves? Tell us below. If this helped plan your next escape, like, share, and subscribe to AdvenTourTravel, your window to the beauty of the world.